All right, this is a magazine article about the how the sled dog race, the Iditarod, came to be. So it's about an event that happened a long time ago, I guess about 100 years ago, about how these sled dogs saved this town. So it gives you some background. If you've ever seen the movie Togo, it talks about this. Um, if you notice, there was another video that gives some background if you want to learn more about this event. It's a very interesting event, and even just we get to see something that a lot of us probably aren't familiar with, which is sled dogs. If you remember Ms. Terhar from last year, she is from Alaska, so she is much more familiar with it. But a lot of us who have never been there or experienced anything like that are less familiar with it. So you are reading the short story, then answering the questions, circling 5 compound words, answering why the children of Nome were in danger, what prevented people from getting medicine to them quickly, how the people finally solved the problem. Make sure you underline evidence for that, and then talk about how we remember Balto. So there's an event that happens, so you can talk about that. You can also talk about sort of the characteristics that we remember about him. Like I said, if any of you have seen the movie Togo, that is about this event. It's an interesting take where you get to learn about another dog that was a main part of it. We hear a lot about Balto, but Togo was another dog that played an important role. Let me know if you have any questions and enjoy learning more about the Iditarod and the sled dogs.